in the heart of Maharashtra, where precision meets innovation at NEOCERAM India. It continues a legacy that began in Belgium over 40 years ago. A company that specializes in ceramic precision dosing solutions for pharmaceutical applications worldwide. Since 1985, NEOCERAM has operated as a quality-driven organization with manufacturing facilities across Belgium, Italy, USA, and now in India. Bringing 4 decades of ceramic expertise to pharmaceutical operations worldwide.
All these pumps that we manufacture are tested by international companies and standards, because these go to export market and these are controlled very strictly by US FDA, European Unions, etc. I don't say it is as good as the foreign companies, but it is better than that.
Our core expertise is filling pumps in both ceramic and stainless steel. 2 distinct technologies engineered for the demanding requirements of injectable production, where precision and sterility are non-negotiable.
Quality is our forte. So anything we manufacture, it follows the similar standard which is followed elsewhere in the world by NEOCERAM. There is one standard, NEOCERAM standard.
State-of-the-art machinery for both production and testing ensures precision manufacturing. Our equipment measures with a precision of 1/10 of a micron. That ensures every component meets pharmaceutical-grade accuracy. We validate quality through advanced testing technology. These machines work together to ensure every component meets pharmaceutical requirements. Each piece of equipment serves a specific purpose in our validation process. That's how we maintain consistency for our pharmaceutical customers. That is the reason major global pharma manufacturers choose NEOCERAM for filling pumps across their worldwide operations. From our state-of-the-art facility to your production line, NEOCERAM is more than a supplier. We are your strategic partner committed to excellence. Drawing on our unique expertise in the pharmaceutical sector, we help elevate precision dosing standards across all industries. Whether you require ceramic or stainless steel filling pumps, our solutions are engineered for reliability, compliance, and superior performance. Together, we can drive your operations to a higher level.